We're standing at the edge of a huge shift in artificial intelligence, a moment where AI goes from being a tool we command to a partner that collaborates. So, let's dive into what this next evolution really means.
I want to start with just one number, 33%. Now, this isn't some random statistic about today. It's a peek into our very near future, and believe me, it signals a massive change in how we're all going to be working with technology.
So what is it? Well, that number is Gartner's prediction for how much of this agentic AI is going to be in business software by 2028. Just think about that for a second. We're going from less than 1% today to a full third of enterprise applications in just a handful of years. So what exactly is this technology that's about to be everywhere?
Right, let's get into it. What does it actually mean for an AI to be agentic? It's a word you're going to hear a lot more, and it represents a complete change in how these systems think and act.
Here's the core idea, plain and simple. Agentic AI is all about systems that can act on their own. You know how you have to give current AI a specific prompt for every little thing? Well, with an agentic system, you just give it a goal, and it figures out all the steps to get there by itself.
It really boils down to 4 key traits. First, it has autonomy, meaning it can work without someone holding its hand. Second, it's goal-oriented. It can actually set and chase its own objectives. Third is adaptability. It learns from new information and changes its approach. And finally, interoperability, which is a fancy way of saying it can use different tools and systems to get the job done.
Okay, I know that can still sound a bit abstract, so let's use an analogy that we can all picture pretty easily. A self-driving car.
A self-driving car is a perfect real-world example of these 4 principles. It's got autonomy, right? It's driving itself. It's goal-oriented. Its one mission is to get you to your destination. It has to be incredibly adaptable, constantly reacting to traffic, pedestrians, and detours. And its interoperability is on full display as it uses GPS, reads traffic signals, and interacts with the whole road system.
So you might be thinking, okay, I get it, but how is this really different from the AI I'm already using? Let's put them side by side.
The simplest way to think about it is this. Traditional AI is about passive response. You ask it something, it gives you an answer. That's it. Agentic AI, it's all about active decision-making. It doesn't just answer you, it acts.
A traditional AI just follows its programming, but an agentic AI can learn and even change its own goals. A simple chatbot just takes your input and gives you output, but an agentic system can connect to your calendar, your email, and other apps to actually complete a task. And here's the real kicker. Traditional AI has to be manually retrained by developers, while an agentic AI can learn and improve on the fly.
So how does it pull this off? Well, it's not one single program. It's more like a team. It uses multiple AI models, one acting as the manager and others as specialists. It connects to outside tools like databases and APIs to get real-world, up-to-the-minute information. And it juggles multiple tasks at once, which makes it incredibly powerful.
Okay, so we've established it's powerful and it's coming fast. But what does that actually mean for us in the real world? What's the impact going to be? And what are the risks?
While the potential uses are pretty mind-blowing. In healthcare, imagine an agent that monitors a patient's health data 24/7 and flags potential issues before a doctor might even see them. In gaming, think of characters that don't just follow a script but have their own goals and react to you in unique ways every time you play. Or in finance, an AI that can analyze market trends and run complex trading strategies all on its own.
I mean, this all sounds pretty incredible. A revolution in what we can do. It sounds almost too good to be true. So, what's the catch?
Because, of course, with any technology this powerful, there's always a flip side. The benefits are huge. Less busy work for us, smarter decision-making. But on the other hand, you've got some serious challenges like job displacement, the sheer cost, and some pretty thorny ethical questions.
And these are not small hurdles. Ethically, if an autonomous AI messes up, who's to blame? Then there's the socioeconomic side of things, the very real chance of job losses as these systems take on more complex work. And on a technical level, we have the black box problem. If we can't fully understand how an AI makes its choices, can we really trust it?
But even with these challenges, the long-term vision isn't really about a tool that replaces us. It's about a partner that evolves with us. Let's look at what that future might actually look like.
The idea is to create systems that don't just follow the plans we give them, but actually help us make those plans better. They'll learn from what works and what doesn't, becoming smarter problem solvers over time, all without us having to guide them at every turn.
And the end goal isn't some generic one-size-fits-all assistant. Far from it. Imagine an AI that learns your specific habits, your workflow, your preferences, and tailors itself to be your perfect support system.
You put all that together and you arrive at the ultimate vision, a true digital collaborator. This is a partner that can manage huge projects, streamline entire operations, and work right there alongside you, not just for you.
So I'll leave you with this. This technology, it isn't science fiction anymore. Your personal AI partner is on the way. The only real question left is, when it gets here, are you going to be ready to share control?